Hi, this is Barbie Wong, and I am going to show you how to fill out the evaluation form for the graduation recital. Before you begin, you will need another piece of information, and that is the list of student names. So you will be evaluating these two names. For instance, the student's name is 𝐃𝐒, and the student's teacher's name is 𝐃𝐒. 𝐃𝐒 is in book 4, and you'll see the title and composers of the student's first and second pieces. All right, so let's get on to filling this form out. You need to first put in your email address. So I'm just going to type it in here. And then your first name. Do not worry. This is kept completely anonymous, so the person that you're evaluating will not know who you are. Then your last name. And now we're ready to fill out the student's full name. So what you want to do is come here, and you could simply type in the student's full name, type everything in. That's definitely a possibility, but I like to make things easier. I like to just copy and paste. And so there are two ways to copy and paste things. First way is to simply copy here. By the way, when you first want to copy something, you want to highlight it. And so you can see this part is highlighted. So I've clicked on this, and then I simply go to Edit, click on Edit, and then go to Copy, and then click on Copy. Before you click on Copy, you will see that there's a shorthand way to do all of this. And I am using a Mac, and so it is Command-C. That's what this symbol is. If you're on a PC, it is Control-C. So I have done that, and then come over here, back to here, click on the student's full name area, and then I can do the same thing. I can go back to Edit, and I can go to Paste. So I can click on Paste, or I can see the shorthand, which is Command-V on a Mac or Control-V on a PC. So you will see it is put over there. So I will do the same thing for the student's teacher's full name. Click on here. And I'm now using the shorthand. I've done a Command-C. Then I come back here, I click on here, I'm doing a Command-V. Over here, book numbers, very easy, just type 4. Then you press Next. So now we go on to the title of the first piece. And I'm just going to simply come back here, copy this, and voila, pasted it. Composer of the first piece, copy and paste. And at this point, you are ready to watch the video of this student and make comments accordingly. You can comment on the tone, the rhythm, the tempo, balance, phrasing, and anything else. And once you've made all of these comments, you watched the video, made these comments, then press Next. So let's pretend we've just done that. And then you will get to the second piece. And so then you come back here, title the second piece here, copy it, come here, click on here, paste. Composer of the second piece, copy, come back here, click on it, paste. And again, you will then watch the video of this second piece and make comments accordingly. And when you're done, all you have to do is submit. If you want, you can click on this button so you can have a copy of your responses and submit. And that's all you have to do. If you have other students you are evaluating, then you can certainly submit another response. And that will allow you to then go through this entire process again. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and useful. And if you want more information, you can check out my website, barbiewong.com, or look at my other videos on this YouTube channel. I hope you live from the heart and play with joy.